Dini has asked the question, what's a butterfly cake? Here you go, dead simple, but what is fantastic, I've knocked the sugar right back. So there's 19 grams of sugar per cake compared to 32 grams of sugar for a bought cupcake. No brainer. The kids did all of the baking this afternoon. We started with a cooked buttercream because that's naturally lower in sugar than standard buttercream. And then one made 12 chocolate buns and one made 12 vanilla. And then I just showed them briefly how to construct a butterfly cake. Scoop out the centre, a tiny blob of jam, a swirl of that low sugar cream, the butterfly wings on and a sprinkling of sugar. They then set to, and what's fantastic, apart from keeping them quiet all afternoon, is that it's a fantastic life lesson. They're using proper ingredients, they're not overdosing on sugar. Great afternoon's work.